The Whistler rental market is more competitive than ever. If you want your property to stand out, it's no longer enough to simply list an outdated space and hope for the best. Today's guests expect high-quality, professionally designed accommodations that offer both beauty and functionality.
A high-quality property is going to attract a high-quality guest. Every single homeowner that we work with at Zenaway is looking for us to book in responsible and respectful renters for their property. And the key to getting that is investing in a quality, beautifully designed, and highly functional space. There's absolutely no question that these properties command higher revenues.
Take this 3-bedroom townhouse in Lagoons. Before the renovation, it would have earned $60,000 to $70,000 annually. Now, it's estimated to generate $120,000 to $130,000 per year. That's an 85% to 100% increase. Or this Georgie Award-winning renovation. The owner saw nightly rates increase by 40% to 50%, attracting respectful renters. It translates into lower maintenance costs and a more profitable investment.
You have to choose materials that are durable. That is so important. They also need to photograph really well. Common areas like kitchens and bathrooms are obviously critical, but you should also consider areas like storage and front entrances. When you come to Whistler, you're bringing lots of stuff. Bikes, skis, golf clubs, you name it. You need a dedicated space for all of these items. When it comes to design, simple and streamlined is often the most effective and appealing.
Other important design features include quality, durable appliances, Wi-Fi thermostats for energy efficiency, Flow Logic water shutoff valves and moisture sensors to prevent costly floods, air conditioning for year-round rentals, and quality furnishings with luxurious appeal.
And a private hot tub can keep your property occupied year-round, even through the slow season.
When renovating, a few things to avoid adding. Smart home technology, which can be too complicated for guests to figure out. Garburators. They're difficult to maintain, against many strata bylaws, and a high flood risk. And fragile or tough to maintain finishes.
A big mistake I see constantly is people doing partial renos, just doing the kitchen, just doing a bathroom. All it does is magnify the areas that haven't been renovated yet.
Whistler has been plagued by condo floods and fires due to shoddy, unpermitted renos, making home inspectors especially vigilant.
It's important to work with a reputable contractor because it means everything will be done right. I have seen work done by contractors that cut corners, and we're seeing major issues even after 18 months. It has an impact on the guest experience and therefore the revenues.
A well-designed property isn't enough if no one sees it. Owners relying solely on Airbnb often struggle to secure bookings. Getting listed on multiple platforms and using direct marketing strategies maximizes revenues.
Managing a short-term rental in Whistler is a 24/7 job. Guest communication, maintenance emergencies, it's a lot. Partnering with a professional property manager not only ensures a seamless guest experience, but it also means that we're there to protect your asset.
Whistler is a world-class destination, and guests expect world-class accommodations. Investing in quality design, strategic renovations, and professional management will set you up for long-term success in an increasingly competitive market.